Today is Friday, March 9th. The time is 8:42 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Limited Hockey Break, break number 6. This break is sponsored by Blowout Cards, www.blowoutcards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Red Wings, Johan Franzen, serial numbered 183 out of 299. Ducks Spotlight, Jonas Hiller, serial number 24 out of 49. Bruins, Milt Schmidt, serial number 20 out of 299. Sharks Jumbo, Patrick Marleau, dual jersey, serial number 10 out of 49. James Reimer, Maple Leafs, patch, serial numbered 24 out of 99. Next we have crease cleaners, patch autograph for the Predators, Pekka Ryan. That's serial numbered 1 out of 15. Trade T-Marks, Anze Kopitar, Kings. That's serial numbered 63 out of 299. And the last card, Ryan Getzlaf, Ducks, serial number 34 out of 199. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. If you guys check out my other eBay box breaks, currently for hockey, all for 2011-12, I have another box of limited, along with Crown Royale and certified. If anyone's interested in football, for 2011 football, ending today, I have Top Supreme and Panini Limited, also listed for 2011, Panini Gold Standard, Panini Crown Royale, Topps Inception, Topps Certified, Panini Certified, Topps Triple Threads. For 2010 football, both Limited and Crown Royale.